What a way to wrap up our great lineup of keynote speakers. And now we're going to have some thoughts and conclusions from our hosts at Symmetry. And we'll start with Per and Jon in Oslo.
Thank you. From one Per to another Per. Yeah. Per, what next steps will you be taking based on what you've heard and experienced throughout these 2 days?
I think it's open for every one of us to take the next step, as we had in our focus areas that we have for this year. We can all take small steps when it comes to circularity. We can all take small steps when it comes to generate new business through collaboration, and we can go from efficiency to productivity. I can get some inspiration from perhaps some unexpected place, but I stumbled on an internet YouTube clip, I would say. And it was made from an admiral in the US Navy Forces. I forgot his name. But he made a speech for graduates for Navy SEALs. And it went something like this. If you want to change the world, you should start by making your bed in the morning. Because then you have completed the first task of the day. And then you can move over to the next task, and the next, and the next. And all combined would be great things for you. And for whatever reason, you have had a bad day, a really shitty day. When you come home to a bed made by you.
So it ends up in a good way anyway. That's nice. Yeah. I was actually, I just want to take the moment to bring that up. Per Sandin mentioned that he'd been in Oslo, and that he was moved by the progression that you seem to be making. And I just want to, as a summary as well, share a little story on that. Because yesterday we had the privilege of having the architects of the new Deichman Jarvika library here, talking to us about what they wanted to achieve with the building and what Oslo Kommune wanted to achieve with the building. And they encouraged us to visit the building. So as I was walking around the building, for the first time in my life, I was moved by what you people do, emotionally moved. I've never been moved by architecture or buildings or constructions before, but this time I was, because what I saw was people from all walks of life, kids, old people, young people, working, creating, talking, chilling, just hanging out, from all ethnicities, all religions, was a true melting pot. A true place to rub shoulders with somebody you might not have had. And to me, that is the aspect of social sustainability, which, of course, is a combination with the ecological sustainability that we have been talking about so much. So thank you, Oslo, for showing us the way. Back to you, Maddie.
Thank you so much. Some great insights there. And I should give credit to our audience here in Stockholm. You've also been fantastic. I've been really impressed by the amount of interactivity, people sending in questions. I know that you've all been mingling and networking, and I hope that you'll be able to take that back to the office with you, maybe have a chat with somebody a little bit different, a different team, keep in touch with somebody that you've met here over the past few days. But with some more insights and thoughts and reflections on the last couple of days, please welcome back Annika Svensson from Symmetry. Is there anything that has surprised you over the past couple of days? Anything you didn't expect to be taking away with you, Annika?
It's a difficult question. I mean, I've been part of choosing the speakers. I didn't expect, though, that, when we had Alf here yesterday, that Per, who did not listen to Alf, actually really followed up on his words. I didn't quite expect that.
It was a full circle.
It was really a full circle, perhaps even better than I had hoped for. So that perhaps was a surprise. I was a bit surprised last night here in Stockholm when we had the salsa, that I guess more than 90% of us, we actually did stand up trying to do the salsa moves. I didn't expect that, so thanks for your passion.
Okay, so next year there'll be a live performance of the Symmetry team doing salsa with partners.
So we have done this event together with the customers. I mean, so many of you have contributed, both in speaking here and in Oslo, but also by contributing with input before the event. So if that's going to be on stage, I think we should have like a joint crowd.
Yeah. Well, some good energy. I look forward to it. So that's pretty much it from you. Any other final words?
Just a big thank you to the audience, both you who are here in Oslo and of course the ones who are following us online. I hope to see you next year. You will get a survey, of course, because we need to understand sort of your thoughts. That's important. I also like to say thank to you, Jon, in Oslo, and to you, Maddie, helping us out to sort of making sure we are on time and, you know, keeping everything together. And of course, to our fantastic event team, Event the 9 Yards, who have helped us during these days, because we would not have managed this technology without their help, I can assure you.
Yeah, let's put it together for the backstage team and for Symmetry. And I'll give the final word to our colleagues in Oslo.
Thank you so much for that. I just want to remind everybody again that there will be an evaluation, and for every answer of that evaluation, there will be money donated to the Symmetry CSR project, Engineers Without Frontiers. So please answer the questionnaire that will be sent to you, and you'll continue to make the world better. We done?
Yeah, I think so.
Have a great weekend. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.